For Nathan, that's my child, I see that his speech has definitely improved and he's more communicative. Of course, there are good days, bad days, but apart from that, overall, I think his connection with us, and with the family is much more. Even with the siblings, he's more, he calls them to pray, he prays with them, which was not there before. And even the speech, I feel he connects much more better than the random speech which he had. So definitely there is an improvement, and I'm sure the supplements also helped. I'm very happy with the program, and I think the support from functional medicine is very great, because last week I had a problem with one of the supplements. It was giving a reaction. So I texted quite late in the night, but immediately they responded to me. So I feel they are very quick in responding and very, very helpful. The treatment has been great. Okay, starting it was a challenge because, finding millets, everything, it's new. So to start, it was a challenge. But once the lifestyle changes kicked in, little by little, I see the improvements also coming in.
Beginning, if I look, he was not having that streaming mode. Where speech streaming was not to that extent. So now comparatively it is okay. And mainly the sleep pattern, it was horrible for me, which I was having a more sleepless nights. Because of him, I was also not having. So that it has quite improved a lot. Because of these things, detoxification or this nuts giving, protein juice, all these things, what natural things we are providing him, which is giving him good enough sleep, and the pattern has been improved, sir. Sometimes, yes, year and year it changes, but more or less when compared to the previous days and years, what the thing was there, it is not there. So these two things which I have been observing.
So I'm very happy with the treatment. Earlier I used to have very poor eye contact, used to have very much hyperactive he was. It was very difficult for me to manage. Nowadays, in some extent, it is decreased. He feels very happy and calmer, and I'm very happy to he gets so much interest in learning whatever. I am a teacher by profession, so earlier it was difficult for me to teach him. So nowadays he sits for a longer time. He earlier used to know only to point out. Now he points out, and he himself he says in Hindi, English, or even in a mother tongue also, whatever I teach. Remembers things, and gut health is completely okay.
First of all, I want to thank you, Dr. Garg, and the entire team, because whenever any inquiry I want over the WhatsApp or over the mobile, I especially personally talked to Dr. Garg. He responded, and your entire team responded us very properly. So his online classes are going on, and I see that he responds to his teachers, and he from his side asks some questions. And at least he tries to ask and make them understand what he's asking. The teachers can answer him. It was not before. Before also he wants to talk, but they cannot understand. Even his own grandmother and uncle, they cannot understand him in his own mother tongue. But nowadays in Hindi and English, he is making them understand. That improvement I have seen, and he's, according to his teachers, he is improving in his school. Now regression is less, and all flapping and hyperactive, this is not there. Now flapping is not so much in him, but sometimes suddenly he used to do, and laughing without any reason. Laughing was there. Laughing means laughing and laughing and laughing, but now it is not there. Without reason, laughing is not there. So these are the improvement. And I am very happy with the entire course, and especially the support the entire team gave all of us, that I am very good, and I also want to proceed with the course.
Her understanding is mainly increased a lot. Earlier, the understanding was little less, or whatever she could not understand earlier, now she is understanding better. That is one. And the other thing is her sleeping pattern is increased. I can say it's improved in the sense. Earlier and all, she used to go to bed only by 1 o'clock like that. Now it is like, by 11:15 she sleeps. So that way we are little happy. With the support and the coordination what we get from the team, we are very happy whenever we have some problem or whatever we approach for supplements and other things, we get it. And all the support we get. That way we are happy.
He's been on therapy since he was 2 years, 9 months. We have gone through speech, occupational therapy, physical therapy, everything. And I have never seen that much of improvement as I have seen with the 3 months course that we did. The 1 month itself, I saw significant improvement in speech, in recognition, in the ability to be more alert around what is happening, the ability to be more cognitively aware of his surroundings, to understand a situation. In 3 months, I did not expect platelet counts to improve significantly. I thought, he would not have the right thing. And in fact, recently my whole house had COVID. But Myron exhibited zero signs of any infection. So I'm very, very extremely happy with what has happened. The sleep patterns are much better. Sometimes he says no, but you can navigate through that by saying, okay, give me 5 minutes more and I'll let you know what needs to happen. So there's a lot of understanding now rather than more of it's a no or a yes, or him not even responding and being in a zone of his own. I went to 5 pediatrics neurologists in Mumbai, top most hospitals I can name. Nobody did this kind of a testing, which is really sad, right? Because at 2 years, 5 months, I was running pillar to post with so many doctors and nobody did these tests to say there was a vitamin D deficiency or there was these issues or there was a toxicity problem.